Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to match cinematic color from other clips. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. I import two different reference video for color match and add a normal video to add color. Okay, first of all add a reference video into timeline. Find specific scene and delete rest part. Then I mute audio for copyright issue. Then add your video. As you can see, this is reference video and this is normal video. Now select normal video and go color match. As you can see, our comparison view showing. You can go this option in other ways. Double click on normal video and go color. And you can see there is color match option. Okay, now go comparison view and select frame where you want to match the color. I select this frame for color match. Then simply click match button. So as you can see, our color match done. If you think this is not perfect, then go color correction. Then go adjust and correction color as you like. As you can see, this is perfect. Let's take a preview. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.